All right, so we're inside a unit at Fairfield. And as you come in the unit, you've got your thermostat. And it should be on auto. And you have emergency heat and regular heat. Should stay on regular heat until you drop below 30 degrees. And obviously your controls are just up and down. All right, so next to the thermostat, we have our mechanical closet, which is locked, and maintenance should have the key, so the tenants do not store anything in here. And inside here, we have our air handler with the air filter that gets changed monthly, and our water heater with our disconnect. And we have the water meter down there, and a shut off to the unit, individual unit water shut off. And there's also a shut off right here at the water heater. All right, so in the units, in both bedrooms and living rooms, we have a fan control, light control, this little remote, and it has an on-off switch on the bottom. And it also has light control and fan control. And if this thing is not working, and you don't have a little red light coming on, you take the faceplate off, and there is a battery. And there it is right there. There's a battery that will have to be replaced occasionally. Ready? So this is our laundry room. And inside the laundry room, we have our main panel. And in this particular unit, we have our arc fault breakers that go to the bedrooms and the bathrooms and the kitchen. And they can be tested just by pushing the little white button. If the tenants complain of outlets not working, 99% of the time it's one of these has been tripped. Dryer hookup, washing machine hookup, and if there is no washing machine, we leave these plugs in place. If the tenant has appliances, then we remove that plug so they can hook their drain. All right, so of course these units have sprinklers in the ceilings, and you need to tell the tenants not to hang or touch or hang decorations from them, because that will set off the sprinklers. Above the stoves, we have this fire arrest system that is lit by a fuse. If there's a fire, it lights it, and it throws baking soda, drops baking soda on top of the fire. The end.